Hey everyone, and welcome. Ready to take control of your financial future? Investing can seem super intimidating at first, but honestly, it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm breaking down investing for absolute beginners. Let's do this. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why investing is so important. When you invest your money, you're putting it to work for you. Investing helps you grow your wealth way faster than a traditional savings account ever could. With a savings account, you might get a measly 0.05% interest. But with investing, you have the potential to earn significantly higher returns over the long term. Alright, so you're ready to start investing. Awesome. But before you throw your money into the market, we need to talk about your goals. What are you actually investing for? Early retirement? Buying your dream home? Maybe it's just having enough saved up to travel the world. Whatever your goals are, write them down. Having clear financial goals will keep you motivated and help you determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Your goals will shape your entire investment strategy. Okay, time to talk about everyone's favorite topic, risk. Every investment carries some level of risk. The key is to figure out your own personal risk tolerance. How much potential loss are you comfortable with in exchange for potentially higher returns? Your risk tolerance depends on factors like your age, financial situation, and goals. For example, if you're young and investing for retirement decades from now, you can afford to take on more risk. Chapter 4. Opening a brokerage account. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. Thankfully, opening a brokerage account is easier than ever these days. There are tons of online brokers to choose from, each with its own set of features and fees. Some popular choices include Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard. When choosing a broker, consider things like account minimums, trading fees, and the types of investments they offer. Chapter 5. Funding your account. You've got your brokerage account all set up. Nice work. Now it's time to put some money in there. Most brokers make it super easy to fund your account. You can usually link your bank account and transfer money directly, set up recurring transfers. By automating your investments, you're less likely to skip a contribution. Plus, it's a great way to take advantage of dollar cost averaging, potentially reducing your risk. With a steady stream of passive income. Here's the thing about investing, you don't need a ton of money to get started. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to be wealthy to invest. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, the most important thing is to be consistent. Remember the power of compound growth? Over time, your money will start working for you, so don't get discouraged if you can't invest a lot right away. Just start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. The world of finance is constantly changing. That's why it's important to stay informed and keep educating yourself about investing. Follow reputable financial news sources, read books, listen to podcasts, and consider taking online courses. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your investment decisions. Investing is a lifelong journey. It's about making smart, informed decisions over the long term to build a secure financial future. So, there you have it, your beginner's guide to investing. Remember to set your goals, understand your risk tolerance, open and fund a brokerage account, and start investing in a way that feels comfortable for you. It's all about taking that first step and building momentum. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be in the long run. What are your biggest questions about investing? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial tips.